2024 Ford Maverick gets a CGI redesign. The Blue Oval Company has been quite zealous in its quest to find the perfect build and sales recipe for its long-running Maverick nameplate. No less than five different incarnations of the moniker have been offered around the world. First, there was the compact car created during the 1970s for North America and Brazil. Now, finally, the reinvented Ford Maverick for North America is produced in Mexico as a unibody compact pickup truck that took the United States by storm with its original sub $20K list price for the 2.5-liter hybrid mild and powerful 2.0L EcoBoost variant. So, certain people might feel inclined to take matters into their hands, or rather, at the tip of their CGI brushes, as is the case here with the imaginative realm of virtual automotive artists. Well, the author's timeline of 2024 or 2025 is a bit too ambitious even for the parallel universe of digital cars, if you ask us. Plus, the virtual content creator has taken some extreme styling measures as far as the design is concerned.